Hi guys, I'm back. Today's story, man walking on the street with his donkey. The path is not so well. They were walking on the street. Suddenly, the donkey fell into the pit. So this man, he tried all his means to get the donkey up. In spite of all his effort to bring the donkey up, he could not do it. So the donkey got tired and then it just settled there. So then this man thought, and then he started putting mud into the pit, thinking that let it have easy death. So he started burying the donkey. So when he started putting the mud into the pit, the donkey was all the time shaking up and then climbing up. Every time the mud was falling onto the donkey, it was just shaking up and then coming up. So this has happened for a while. The man was gone putting the mud, and finally after some time the man got surprised. The donkey was able to climb up and come out. So now the moral of the story is, in life there are so many problems throwing at you like a mud. So every problem, take it as an opportunity, shake it up and come up. Take it as a step and come up, come out of it.